What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Books They Took Out of the Bible because they don't want you to read them, because they don't want you to have wisdom, knowledge, discernment to navigate the crooked, evil, demonic systems that they've created to enslave and oppress you. All you gotta do is read the book to know how to operate safely in this world. This is another one of these books. This is the book of Sirach. Now, the main reason they took this book out is because this book is would be considered very offensive to modern day women. All right. This book is extremely red pill. This is probably the most red pill book in the entire Bible. So if you need wisdom on how to navigate relationships with women, you need to read the book of Sirach. Okay. But like I said, the main reason they took this out is because Christianity is a matriarchal religion that worships women. They worship fertility. They worship the sun god. They worship everything but God. But they do heavily focus on female worship in Western Christianity. And so they had to take this book out because this book gives you wisdom about female nature that we also now have because of the red pill and the manosphere. But this has been here since the beginning of time. They just didn't want you to see this because this would have red pilled you before the manosphere ever came about if you had actually read this book. And right here in the foreword, it says many important truths have been handed down to us through the law, the same Old Testament that Christians reject. They don't care about God's law anymore. The prophets, they don't care about the prophets that's in the Old Testament. They only care about the New Testament. And even most of that they don't agree with. And the later authors. And for these, the instructions of wisdom of Israel merit praise. Now, those who are familiar with these truths must not only understand them themselves, but as lovers of wisdom be able in speech and in writing to help others. So once you read the book that they hid from you and you understand the wisdom that's in the book itself actually tells you to share that wisdom with others. And that's another reason why they hide these books from you, because once you get this information, you're going to be like on fire for Jesus, and you're going to be like, wow, I got to tell other people about this. I got to give other people this. And then that's how it spreads, and they can't have that wildfire spreading. They can't have you reading this book and then going and telling other men about the female nature that's in this book, the truth of female nature in this book, in the book of Sirach, because then you won't get ensnared to their demonic government family court system. You won't be enslaved. You won't be indebted to them. So that's the main reason right out of the gate. This is just a forward. And this is already going to be offensive to them. They already can't have you reading this, because once you read this part, you're going to be like, wow, I wonder what's in this book. And then you're going to keep reading, and then you're going to start sharing that wisdom with your friends, and then that's going to spread. And then next thing you know, it's going to be complete anarchy for the worldly systems. They're going to collapse. So that's why they had to take this book out. And we're going to start reading this book, and I'm going to go through it with you guys. And it's going to be epic. You guys are going to see some what is considered extremely offensive, even radical in this book. So that's why. And it's not radical. It's just how modern day people like to shame. They have to use the word radical to shame you away from learning truth, learning wisdom, and getting this knowledge. So I'll see you guys in the next one.